Okay, so I'm going to tell you some things right now for you to do. So wave your hands right now. Wave your hands. All right. So it's actually more faster on my video call right now. It's more faster. The way you wave your hands is more faster on my video call. You see that?
Really? Wow.
Yeah. It's more faster on WhatsApp.
Okay.
I'm going to send you the video of how it looks like from my phone. I'm using another phone to video it. So and then yeah, at least smile.
Wow. This is impressive.
Yeah, so that's the smile.
Yeah.
Let me show you from my phone. I will also send you the video at the end of the day, so you also see. Alright. So now wave your hands now. Just wave your hands right now.
Yes, sir.
Alright. It's a lot more faster when it's on video call and on WhatsApp, which is actually better. So just wave it, Yeah, you can see. It's more faster on WhatsApp and all that.
Wow.
Yeah, I will send you the video later. You see.
Okay. Even that first one you captured the other time.
Yeah, the first. I'll send you the first one too. So yeah.
Nice one.
And you can also smile. Yeah. You are already even smiling,
I salute.
Shama, I greet you too. I greet you, boss.
Wow,
Hi. How you doing? Yeah, you can see I can wave my hands right now. You see, this is the person. She looks so identical, right? How you doing? I'm good. Good. See, this is how it looks like. So where you from? You tell me where you from, and then I want to know some things about you, and tell me things about you. You get? So it looks so realistic and all that. So see how it looks like. Bye. Bye.